Statistics on weight loss programs suggest that the amount of weight lost by most people follows a parabolic curve opening downward. This is explained by initial enthusiasm and then some success that creates motivation to continue the program. After a while, when motivation decreases, the program is gradually abandoned. The time on the program is logged as the function t of x equals x plus 1, where x is the actual number of months. A possible function rule for a monthly weight loss rate is r of x equals negative 2800 x plus 2. The amount of weight loss is the product of the time on the program t of x and the monthly weight loss rate r of x. Write a function rule for the amount of weight loss a of x by multiplying function rule for the time on the program t of x and the function rule for the monthly weight loss rate r of x. Use technology to graph the function rule to predict the number of months when weight loss typically stops. Alright, so it tells us to find a of x, the amount of weight loss, by multiplying the function rule t of x by the function rule r of x. And so writing that out, then we know a of x equals t of x times r of x. And then we can substitute in our equations for t of x, x plus 1, and then also the one for r of x. So simplifying these, we can just multiply and distribute. So x times negative 2800 x gives us negative 2800 x squared. X times 2 gives us plus 2x. 1 times negative 2800 x gives us just minus or negative 2800 x, and 1 times 2 gives us plus 2. So then what we have left here, we'll still have 2800 x squared, that's negative there, and then we can combine the two middle terms since those both have the x variable, so 2, just doing the coefficients, 2 minus 2800 gives us positive 1 and 7200 x, and then we still have the plus 2 on the end. And so that's our a of x function. And then I've gone ahead and put this into a calculator. So looking at the graph, then remember that the y values, a of x is the weight loss, and then x values are months. And so we see that they're losing weight, and even when it's decreasing on the graph, when a of x is decreasing, then they're still losing weight, even though they're losing less weight. And then it actually hits 0 at just over 7. And so that means that around a little bit more than 7 months, then they actually stop losing any weight. So we can go ahead and summarize our answer here. The function a of x equals t of x times r of x becomes x plus 1 times negative 2800 x plus 2. This can be simplified to a of x equals negative 2800 x squared plus 1 and 7200 x plus 2. A graph of the function a of x shows a y value of 0 at an x value of a little more than 7. So the typical person stops losing weight in just over 7 months.